Today, we will talk about video editing. And we will do that using the CapCut software. It is a free program. This is the program's website, CapCut.com. As you can see, you can download the program on Windows, or work on it online through the browser. If you click on Open CapCut in your browser like this, the program will open in the browser, and you can work on it and edit videos online without downloading to your computer. The website has been opened, and by clicking Create Project you can start editing videos. This time, we will work on a version that was previously downloaded to the computer. When you click on the program icon that was downloaded, the program startup screen will appear. Go to the settings icon and click on it, then select settings. You can change the default save path from the Save to section. You can create a customized folder for saving, instead of the default location on Drive C, and you can see the size of cache files in this section. There are two options for managing cache files. Either auto-delete or don't delete cache files. When choosing deletion, you can specify the number of days to delete cache files, and you can delete cache files immediately by clicking on this icon. All cache files will be deleted, then click Save. Click on Start Creating to begin working with the program. The program screen will open. You can start recording by clicking Record, like this. Then press the red button to start recording the video. Then perform the required editing. Or click Import to open an existing or pre-recorded video. Then click on the file and drag it to the timeline, like this. The video will appear according to its duration, and you can play or pause it by clicking here. And here on the far right, you can click to zoom in or out the timeline. So you can edit small parts of the video precisely. This line represents the video's audio level. If you want to separate the audio, right-click, then choose Separate Audio. The audio will be separated from the image like this, and you can control the audio level by reducing or increasing it. For example, you can reduce the video's audio like this and then play it, and you can reduce it further to make the audio very low. You can click here to mute the sound completely. Here, there is an icon called Split. For example, if we are here at this part of the video, and we want to split the video at this point, by clicking on Split, the video will be divided. And here, the video can also be split at this point. And this segment can be moved or deleted from the video. By clicking on it, then pressing this icon to delete it, or by pressing the delete button on the keyboard. And here is the undo icon to undo the last action. For example, when you click on it, the deleted segment will be restored, and if you click on it again, it will be returned to its previous position. Here is what's called audio. By clicking on it, some recorded audio clips that can be used will appear. Be cautious that they are free to avoid copyright issues. By clicking on one of these audio clips and dragging it to the timeline, the audio will play like this when you play it. You can control the audio level by lowering or raising it. This way, you can play the video with the desired audio. There is also what's called text. It is used when you want to add text to the video. Click on it, then drag it to the timeline here. By zooming in on the timeline until we see the text segment. This is the text segment, and it's not clear due to its default white color. Click here to change the text color, for example, to red. You can also change the default text to your preferred text. You can also resize it, for example, making it larger. and you can change its position to the desired location. Here, you can control how long you want the text appearing on the screen. So when you play it, the text will appear at the specified location and time. Here is what's called effects. These are styles that can be applied to texts. By clicking on one of them and dragging it to the timeline like this, and you can control them by changing their position or properties. Here are what's called stickers. When you click on it, these stickers will appear. For example, we click on one of them and drag it like this. And, of course, you can change its position as desired. And you can control its size, or by changing its dimensions on the screen as well as its rotation. Here is what's called mirror. When you click on it, the reversed shape will appear, just like a mirror. You can also create animations for the sticker. By clicking on animation like this, you will see 3 animation options: in, out, loop. In displays at the beginning. Out displays at the end. Loop keeps the motion continuous. For example, when selecting loop for the sticker like this, the animation will continue to move for the sticker like this. If you increase the sticker's duration, the animation will last longer, until the specified duration for the sticker is reached. We see here the animations for the loop option. You can adjust the animation speed from here. Increasing the speed, for example, slows down the animation until it reaches the maximum level of slowness for the animation. Here are what's called effects. These are effects that can be applied to any part of the video. By clicking on any of them, you will see a preview of the effect. For example, drag one of them to the timeline and set the desired duration. When you play it, you will see its effect on the clip as it is clear. It will be displayed until the specified duration ends. Here is what's called transitions. They are used when transitioning from one clip to another in the video. For example, when you select one and drag it onto a video clip like this, it will appear when transitioning from one clip to another as shown here. You will find many transitions to choose from. You can also change their duration from here. For example, if you increase its duration like this, when you play it, you will see that it takes longer to transition. Here are what's called filters. You will find various filters when you click on it. You can apply them to any part of the video. To add one, click on the plus sign and it will be added to the timeline. Drag it a bit to increase its duration and you will see its effect like this. Then, when you play it, you will see the effect of this filter. It reduces the screen brightness, as is evident. You have several filters to choose from according to your preference. You will notice that the filters are categorized for easy selection based on your needs. And you can drag them to add or click on the download icon. Here, on the video timeline, you can click here to mute the sound. You can click here to hide everything in this track. For example, this track contains stickers. By clicking on the hide icon for this track, this track won't appear when playing or navigating through its section. Here, we have what's called adjustment. When you click on it and drag it to any place on the timeline, you can make custom adjustments to this clip. For example, make adjustments to color, lighting, and other properties. So, here are the desired adjustments, and here's the duration you want to apply them to. They will be applied from the beginning to the end of the specified duration on the video clip. By clicking here, you can enlarge the video to full screen to see the edits and effects clearly. The edits and effects that apply to video clips. After finishing all the edits and effects on the video, to save it, click on Export, and this window will open. Enter the name in the title field and choose the export location for the video. Set the desired video resolution and other properties. Then, click on Export to render the video with the applied changes, and it will be ready for online upload or use on your computer. We'll stop here today, and stay tuned for future videos. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. For more, visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.